So, hi ho! We are back on track, but I have no idea if somebody is listening to me. There was just an internet outage here, and we tried to reconnect, and I think we are connected now, but I have no idea if somebody sees me or not.
We're live now, yes? Yep.
Hi ho! Here we go. Yes, we are live again. We are back to. I'm absolutely sorry for that, but we just had an outage here in the signal. So yes, we are back on track. Okay, so I was just showing you the roof terrace, but I won't go up there again because seems there is a problem up there in the connectivity or somehow. So let's rather stay down here. So we've seen a wonderful roof terrace. Yes, Paul, I'm back again. Happy days. Ruth is listening at least. Hi, Eva. Thanks for coming back. So yes, as we said, we are on Garden 13, reference 3619, a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, totally fully equipped with whatever we can imagine, from air conditioning to awnings to fully installed white goods, fully furnished, decorated. There is even a mirror here. There we go. So asking price only 69,900, and I would say it's kind of a trouble-free apartment where you just come, take it over, and that's it. It's kept in pristine conditions. We have Swedish owners here, and they're really taking care of the property, I have to say. We see many properties during the year, but this is really, again, a very nicely kept 2-bed apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. The master bedroom is just over here, and I'm showing it to you again, together with the fitted wardrobes, as well air condition unit installed in the master bedroom. In case, guys, you have any questions you want me to answer, just drop me a note at the bottom of the screen. Don't tell me that this is not working now. So any question you might have, just send it over and I will try to answer it. Otherwise you will, well, we don't do it. Okay. I have another question, maybe you guys can help me out. We are discussing, and we have been discussing, this virtual open house up and down. What do we do? Shall we do it again? Finally, we have decided that we do it again, and we will continue, also due to you guys, because you have motivated us with so many positive feedback, also during the time we have not been here. So we can't avoid it to continue. But we have one question. Well, we have many questions, but the first question would be, what's the right format? Is it like that? Means portrait? Or is it rather that?
Landscape.
Means landscape. Okay, the system tells me I can't rotate my telephone during the viewing, but just...
Correct. You have to keep it in the
I have to keep it,
yes.
but maybe somebody has an opinion about it. What's the better format? We haven't got a clue. Okay, Ruth says portrait. Okay, so
I also say portrait, yeah.
yes, you also said portrait, but other people say, Eva, for example, said it should be landscape, because we see more of the apartment. But I think that portrait has the advantage that you see it really from up and down, because you see really the entire room from top to bottom. No? So yeah, it's not an easy question, but maybe if somebody has an answer to that or helps us to find out. Lindsay says landscape. Okay, I think we will do a democratic thingy here.
We should do a poll.
I think we do a poll, yeah. I think we do a poll. So I will make this question now in the upcoming events to see what's the majority and what you guys want. Because at the end of the day, I'm doing this for you and not for me. So it would be really great. Having said that, you know Anna already. She's our listing agent. Actually sitting today in the sun here because it's pretty cold. Inside, because the apartment, obviously.
They do, yes.
Fidelma, this is nice, but iPad is unfortunately not a format. I would need it rather in portrait, okay, or in landscape. Ian says portrait.
Portrait, yeah.
Okay, so
Yes,
okay, let's see. Let's see. I think we'll make a poll. Can we publish the poll, maybe? Ben Schuling, Mr. Ben, I think we need a poll. Okay, Beth says as well portrait. Okay, so far the majority is rather for portrait. Yeah, Good. Coming back to this apartment, reference 3619 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And the sun is just coming in here. Wow, this looks fantastic. I hope this looks also great on your screen. In my screen, it looks a little bit like a rainbow. Okay, having said that, reference 3619, Marcello comes up with Portscape. No. We won't go down that road. Asking price 69,900 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. You'll find this and many other apartments on Condado de Alhama and on other golf resorts. The EB tax for this property, so the council tax or town hall tax. Show the kitchen, please. Yes, Jason, I'll show you the kitchen. There we go. So the kitchen has a big fridge freezer. So the lower compartment is freezing the other. It's freezing. The other one is a normal fridge. We do have a dishwasher, which looks pretty good to me. Pretty clean, pretty okay. We have oven, cooker, extractor fan. Then we have, obviously, as an inventory of the kitchen, what we see here. Over here as well. Then we go to the third cupboard here. There we go. So it's a complete set of china, cutlery, crockery, you name it, we have it. This is an espresso machine. Well, it's not an espresso, but it's for an espresso. I'm sure it's something more posh than that. We have a microwave, we have a toaster, we have a kettle. Obviously, water heater with Special K and Choco Pick. There's a coffee machine, yeah? That's what I just said. This is the Nespresso machine. This looks great. And then we have all kind of, as you can see, pots and pans and cutlery over here. Well, what normally people store in the kitchen now, the remote for the air conditioning and other bits and bobs. And, most important, the washing machine, which is for 6 kilos, energy rating A++, so that's pretty good. Well, that's the kitchen. I'm not allowed to mention that there's a water filter missing now, so we will not talk about the water filter today. No. I hope that's okay with you, Jason. I hope you've seen it all now. As I said, pictures and more pictures you'll find on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. It's the reference 3619, and the asking price is only 69,900. We are southwest facing, means that we do get the sun as of midday until it goes down. Actually, it goes down over there at the moment. In summer, it's rather over there then, because in summer the sun is higher up, so it's moving a little bit. But we are still in the sun here. It's a great day today, and as I said, we still have about 14 degrees. In the night, it's going down to about 5 degrees. You're welcome, Jason. It's going down to about 5 degrees, 4 degrees, and some people even say it has been also freezing during the last days. Okay, so are there any questions I have to answer today? Not yet. So then I have to say thank you ever so much for attending our first virtual open house today at reference 3619 in Garden 13, apartment 1566, asking price 69,900. It was a pleasure to have you on board. Community fees are around 85 euros per month, including also internet, television channels, and all services provided by the community, starting from the pool cleaner to the gardeners to security to street cleaning to light in the streets. Well, there are many things done by the community of owners. So 5 degrees to 14 degrees now in January. Yes, that's exactly what we have. How is it over you, Paul? Is it more or less the same? Let's see. Okay, so this was it for today. I see you next week again. Thank you ever so much. Take care. Stay safe. Well, I'm looking forward to see you next week. Cheers. Bye.